Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we are taking a closer look at one of the most anticipated and sleekest smartphones of the year, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Samsung has once again pushed the boundaries of innovation, merging cutting-edge technology with a design so slim and futuristic, it's guaranteed to turn heads. From its stunning display to its powerhouse performance and minimalist design, the Galaxy S25 Edge is not just a phone, it's a statement. Let's dive into the complete breakdown of this premium flagship device. Let's start with the design, because that's where the Galaxy S25 Edge really shines. Samsung has engineered this phone with a titanium frame, giving it an incredibly sturdy yet ultra-lightweight feel in hand. But what truly makes it stand out is its unbelievably slim profile, measuring just 5.84 millimeters thick. It's one of the thinnest smartphones ever released. Despite its sleek size, Samsung didn't compromise on durability. The S25 Edge comes with an IP68 rating, making it both dustproof and water-resistant. Whether you're out in the rain or near the pool, you can use your device with peace of mind. On the front, the phone features a 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED display with 2K resolution, an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR10+ support. This display offers incredible sharpness, deep blacks, vibrant colors, and smooth scrolling. Thanks to LTPO technology, the refresh rate dynamically adjusts depending on your activity, helping save battery when high refresh rates aren't needed and enhancing visuals when you're gaming or watching content. Whether you're binge watching your favorite series, editing photos, or just casually browsing, the experience is always top tier. Powering the Galaxy S25 Edge is none other than the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, one of the most powerful processors currently available in the mobile world. It's built on advanced architecture and is optimized for gaming, multitasking, and especially AI-powered features. Paired with fast LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, this device delivers blazing fast speeds whether you're switching between apps, playing demanding games, or using real-time translation and AI enhancements in One UI 7. It's a future-ready device built for 2025 and beyond. Now let's talk about photography. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge keeps things simple yet powerful with a dual camera setup, and believe us, that's more than enough here. At the heart is a massive 200MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS. This sensor captures incredible detail, whether you're shooting in daylight or at night. Samsung's image processing further boosts dynamic range and color accuracy. Alongside it is a 12MP ultra-wide lens, ideal for landscapes, group shots, and creative angles. The phone supports 8K video recording, night mode, AI scene optimization, and pro mode, allowing both casual users and photography enthusiasts to get the most out of the camera. Here's where Samsung made a bold decision. The Galaxy S25 Edge comes with a 3,900 mAh battery, smaller than most flagships, but intentionally designed to match its slim form factor. Despite the smaller size, the battery life is optimized through software and display efficiency. And when you do need a boost, the phone supports 25W fast wired charging, allowing you to get back up and running quickly. It also supports wireless charging and reverse wireless charging for added convenience. On the software front, the S25 Edge runs on Android 15, skinned with the latest One UI 7. This version brings an even more refined and fluid user interface, new customization tools, and enhanced AI integration. You'll notice smarter widgets, improved multitasking features, and better power optimization. Samsung also continues its promise of long-term software updates, so you're covered with security patches and new features for years to come. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge is more than just a smartphone, it's a fusion of style, power, and intelligence. With its ultra-slim titanium build, flagship-grade camera, powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, and Samsung's premium software experience, it caters to users who want the best of both performance and elegance. Sure, the battery may be smaller than some rivals, but that's the trade-off for such a striking, slim device, and with efficient optimization, it still holds up well. So, what are your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 Edge? Is it the right mix of style and substance for you, or would you prefer something with a bigger battery and a bulkier build? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.